Hey guys, it's Vince from New Vintage USA. Today we're going to go over gauge options for your classic G-Body from 78 through 88. These were built by Chevy, Buick, Pontiac, and Oldsmobile. So take a look at the table, match the look of your dash, and choose accordingly. We're going to help you out by going over the options right now. See here, our Pontiac Grand Prix kit shown in our Performance White is a really simple solution to transform the dash. Kit installs with our ABS panels that we have here right into the factory location for a look that's truly custom. Now let's talk about our Cutlass kit shown here in our CFR Blue. It's really a simple way to go over the top for all the right reasons with your gauge cluster. Get rid of that sweep style and go for a 6-gauge kit that you deserve. Now let's talk about our Buick Regal Turbo and non-turbo, as well as the Grand National. This is how the kit's going to look right here. So if you've got a Turbo Regal or a Grand National, we're going to include a 30 PSI vacuum boost gauge. If you've got a non-turbo, it's going to be a filler gauge that's going to finish off the look of the dash. We include a finished piece that goes on the front side of your dash to make it look truly custom and to look like it was there from the factory. Now let's take a look at our kit here. If you've got an Impala or an El Camino with a sweep dash, it's really time to ditch it. Go for a 6-gauge kit like you see here in our Performance Black and truly wow your friends and family at the next car show. Everyone's going to be asking, where'd you get these? Let's finish off with one of the best looking kits, our Monte Carlo. One of the hottest rides out of the G-Bodies, Monte Carlos deserve a custom touch. Factory gauges are really small and leave a lot to be desired. So let's ditch the factory look, go for some upsized gauges in our Performance 2 Black. As you can see here, black dial, white tick mark. When you hit the lights, they turn to a brilliant blue. So what are you waiting for? Now let's talk more about what you can expect from your own G-Body kit. All G-Body kits are designed to fit in the factory location, upgrading the style and function of your dash. Available G-Body kits bolt right in and offer the flexibility of positioning the gauges how you see fit for a truly custom look. Kits come complete with your choice of gauge style, mounting bracket, wiring harness, temp and pressure senders, bushing kits, gauge mounting clamps, and hardware. NVU gauges can operate on virtually any powertrain combination from old school carbs to modern engines driven by OE and aftermarket PCMs. Choose from a wide variety of styles that fit your build. From mild to wild, there's sure to be a kit that's right for you. Bold graphics, LED backlighting make these gauges look great day or night. NVU has been known for decades as the leader in gauge design. The exciting styles make a bold statement without going over the top. Whether you're going for a retro vibe or an exciting modern look, we have you covered. Our gauges are more than just great looking. Modern technology based on OE, military, and simulator lines pack features you wouldn't have expected. Auxiliary inputs, built-in indicators, settable odometer mileage, performance timers, and sequential shift alerts are just a few of the things that push performance over the top. Wiring is simplified using our exclusive Phoenix direct drive wiring system, which cuts down wiring time by 75% and dramatically decreases installation errors. By far the cleanest wiring solution available, even a novice builder can get professional results that look just as good on the back as they do on the front. Simplify things even further using our Snap Adapt plug-and-play harness for an even easier installation by plugging directly into the OE harness. All products are designed, built, and programmed right here in Detroit and offer a 5-year warranty. If you're looking to upgrade the looks and functionality of your G-Body dash, look nowhere else. New Vintage USA, where style meets performance.